Yeah, she down at Aizwal, that's how we run it through. Lyrical flares out from my head, who try kicking it full. Seek out that mumbling flu, caught my own ethnic stew. Y'all be spewing peppermint, still relevant. Yeah, they melanin, it's evident. The kind of dissonance is plain and ignorant. Flying on the pelican, like a color. Regarding this, split the flow in half. Just like Moses' staff, I move miraculously. A new order coming up, telling us live cashlessly. The devil in disguise, no Superman, he can't. Another yapper searching for clouds. Speak for the ones in there struggling back. This is seed for your soul. Flower this sprout. With it is seed, we be rooting them out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo day. Only one way. Call me hot love. You can call me down. I don't sit in this bitch right. I don't sit in this bitch right. It's time we get it on. I'ma get on. How do you got time? Chin up, get that bread on. Spirit, this generation, what is dead on? You wrote it heavy emo, that crayon. Your box side, while I keep it ring on. Running on 100 till the song hit the current drop. Running every drum, better run for the summer pop. None of them above when we flip, it's a sudden up. Hey city man, I'm more than a milligram. Get a sticky hand in a minivan with pretty fan, get a chili stand. Pray for you like Billy Graham, pulling books out of crummy man. I can do what money can, sitting and down to city man. Same race we talking about, ain't getting you ride out. Bang bang with a cops out, Wu-Tang with a backdrop. Take back with a pop out, no c'est la vie, let it be. Who that pop out of bed out?